In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade with leverage on Kraken. So, to trade with leverage on Kraken using your Kraken app, you need to use the Kraken Pro app. First, ensure you've completed identity verification and deposit funds, then navigate to the trade section right here in your screen. Okay, or you can go ahead and press at the bottom middle right here to see your trading pair. Okay, now after you select your desired trading pair, toggle on the margin trading. So next to the limit, you're going to see a spot, press it, then hit margin. Okay, and choose your leverage level based on the trading pair. As you can see right here, Bitcoin USD 5x, so I have 5x leverage. If you want more, just go back to your screen and just choose from the screen right here, or hit spot and margin and choose your leverage. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.